Good day. How are you? I hope you're always fine with positive mind. I am Professor Mats. Come, join me. Let us explore real-time knowledge.
Today, we will be exploring colors. But before that, let us pause for a while and pray. Lord Almighty, to Thee we humbly pray, for the strength in our knowledge that remembering and understanding will stay. Bless us with Thy Spirit in every applying and analyzing that we will lay. Guide us with Thy wisdom in creating and evaluating our lesson for today. Amen. After this lecture video, you must be able to explain and discuss essentials of colors, enumerate and apply a coloring media and schemas, and appreciate the beauty of colors as perceived by the eyes. What is color? According to Britannica, a color is a characteristic of an object that may be described in terms of hue, lightness, and saturation. Also, the Collins Dictionary defines it as an appearance of something resulted from the reflection of light. How do you find colors? Are there colors in the universe? What can you say with the colors in the sky? How about in the sea? Land? So everywhere there is color and it adds beauty. Conventionally, the colors are said to have been formed from three basic colors, also called primary colors, namely red, yellow, and blue. Even the Philippine flag is inspired with these colors, and as shown is our historical flag used from 1898 to 1901, archived at Presidential Museum and Library, Palace of Malacanang. Mixing equally in pairs will yield another set of colors called secondary colors. When you mix a pint of red paint to a pint of blue paint, that will yield 2 pints of violet paint, sometimes called purple. Is there difference between the two? Well, they fall in the same family of colors, but let us stick in the principle that when red and blue are mixed at the same amount, will yield violet. Similarly, when same volume of red and yellow is mixed, will give us orange, and same amount of blue and yellow will give us green. Mixing primary to secondary colors with same amount will result to another set of colors, called tertiary colors or intermediate colors. Mixing same volume of red to orange will give us red-orange. They also call it vermilion. Conventionally, the name of the resulting color must start with a primary, then secondary name. Another, adding same amount of red to violet will give us red-violet. They also call it magenta. Blue plus violet is blue-violet. Blue plus green is blue-green, also called turquoise or cyan. Yellow plus green is yellow-green, also called chartreuse or lime green. And yellow plus orange is yellow-orange, also called amber. All in all, there are 6 intermediate colors. The names are based from colorpsychologymeaning.com in 2018. Also, it is stated that blue plus purple is violet, but I have not seen blue-purple color in crayons. Rather, there is blue-violet. Mixing mixtures of colors fall as multinary color. With different amounts of red, blue, and yellow colors will give a distinct color. In MS application, the color palette can give you the resulting color for a specific amount of red, blue, and green. RGB that is a digital coloring scheme. The monochromatic coloring scheme gives you a family of colors that is based on tint, shade, and tone. What will you have if you mix white to red from little amount to a bigger amount? You will notice that there will be a sequence of colors that becomes lighter and lighter and lighter and lighter. What will happen if black is used? How about gray? It is said that when the primary and secondary colors are arranged in sequence as yellow, yellow-orange, orange, red-orange, red, red-violet, violet, blue-violet, blue, blue-green, green, and yellow-green in a circle, the opposite colors complement with each other. Example, if you will use yellow-green, it will complement with red-violet. Orange complements with blue. Do you find the color combination cool? Another coloring scheme that you can use is the analogous. It is a group of 3 of adjacent colors that brings balance, harmony, and serenity. How do you find red, red-violet, and violet when used in a white background? Gray background? How about in black background? The triadic coloring scheme is picking 3 equidistant colors in the wheel to maintain balance, harmony, and serenity. There must be only one dominating color and the other 2 are accents. Example, the red-violet dominated the word balance, accented with blue-green and yellow-orange. Another, the tetradic coloring scheme, is picking 2 sets of complementary colors where one must dominate and the other 3 colors are accents. For example, the phrase warm and cool is dominated by blue with accents orange, blue-violet, and yellow-orange. In computer, some of the color schemes used are RGB, whose primary colors are red, green, and blue. CMYK, whose primary colors are cyan, magenta, yellow, and key color, basically black. And HSL, that uses hue, saturation, and luminance. Colors are identified by changing the values in the parameter. Example, blue-green can be achieved by setting the red to 0% or 0, the green in 50% or 127.5, and blue at 50% or 127.5, represented as RGB 0, 127.5, 127.5. Most of our printers use RGB or CMYK schemes. To know more on colors, you may visit w3schools.com. It offers more concise information on its theories and applications. Colors have meaning, and those meaning may be same or different, derived from nature, personal perception, culture, religion, and profession. For example, the traffic light has 3 colors, where red means stop, orange means ready, and green means go. The rainbow consisted of red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet, symbolizes hope for a dream to come true. They say that in its ends, there are pots of gold. What color media should be used? In childhood, we used crayons and watercolors. From Liquitex, an American acrylic paint manufacturer, acrylic paint is defined as a granular solid that provides the color called pigment. This pigment is kept in place when dried by a binder. The pigments and binder are carried by a vehicle like water. Why use acrylic paint? Well, it sticks to almost any surface at a drying time of 10 to 12 minutes with a low odor. It is permanent when dried, and it can be easily cleaned by water when wet. It must not be exposed to cold place lower than 7 degrees centigrade. Must not be thinned with more than 25% of water. And now, what have we learned again? It is beauty. B. Be appreciative. E. Examine feedbacks. Most are essential. A. Adjust on what environment dictates. U. Unite and color the world with values and principles. T. Teach with harmony and balance. And Y. Younglings need you. Handle them with care.
Thank you for watching this lecture video. If you have questions, comments, and suggestions, email me at primovillanuevajr@yahoo.com. I hope to see you again on my next lecture videos. Good day.